Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you seeing me for the first time? Are you watching my video for the first time? If yes, welcome. I'll start by introducing myself. I'm the Recipe Queen. I'm your favorite baker. I'm a Nigerian baker based in Lagos. So today I'll be doing some unboxing, and guess what? In a few days time I'll be celebrating my birthday, and my birthday gift just arrived. My sister had to send me all this from Germany, so I'll be unboxing this today to see what she sent me. And you know, I couldn't wait till my birthday, so I just needed to do it now and to show you all what my sister sent me. So let's get started. So right here I have four different packages. So this is the first one, the biggest box. So this is the second one, the third one, and the last one. So I guess this is a digital scale. So I'll be opening it up so you can see what it looks like. Wow. Yeah. So this is the manual. Wow. It's a digital scale. Wow, I love it. I love this so much. So this is the first gift I am unboxing, and this is a digital scale, a very small one though, so I'll be using it. Then this is it. Wow, it has started reading, so see, it's now working. Wow, I love this. Thank you so much, Ola. So this is my first gift that I'm unboxing, and it's a digital scale. And this is a blender. Wow. As if she knew, this year I decided to take my food channel serious. If you've not subscribed to my food channel, that is the Recipe Queen Cooks Too, please do that right now. I run that channel as well, so I think I'll be using this blender for that channel to blend all my vegetables, fruits for smoothies and all that. So this is it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Here, this is what we have here. This is my blender, and it's a glass one. Wow, so strong. Wow. So seen it. I think I'll have to do it this way. So this is it. I've fixed it. Then have to put it this way. Then this is the cover. Wow, this is a very strong brand. I can't wait to start using it. So this is the second gift I'm unboxing. Happy birthday to me. Going to be the third one I'm unboxing. So it was sent to me here in Lagos, city of Lagos. Wow, all the way from Germany. So we are going to open it up. Let's unbox this and see. Oh, this way. This way. Wow, you can't believe it. This is a stand mixer, another table mixer for me. Wow. How do we bring this out? Okay, I'm going to bend it this way. Then wow. I cannot wait. I can't. I'm sweating already. Wow. I don't even know what to say again. So this is the manual. Oh, wow. I'm so happy. Oh, wow. Wow. So I have another mixer here. Can you see that? Wow. So beautiful. So lovely. Wow. I am super excited. Wow. So this is what we have here. A brand new table mixer, a brand new stand mixer for the Recipe Queen. Wow. So clean, in fact, I don't know what to say. Wow. My paddle attachment, my whisk attachment, then the hook attachment. Yes, so we're here. Wow, and this looks so solid. Hope you like it too. I love this. I'm so happy. Then to the final one, let's see what we have here. So this is a set of dessert stands. This way too. So this is it too. Then the last one, I have to turn it this way. See? Then screw it in. So I have 3 different display stands here. So this is it. So happy. These are all the things my sister sent me all the way from Germany, and I love all of them. So I've unboxed everything for you guys to see. My blender, my digital scale, my table mixer, my dessert display set. So what do you have to say? I hope you love all this. I love them too. So happy birthday to me, though it's not today, still like few days to come. Happy birthday to me in advance, and in fact I would say congratulations to me, the Recipe Queen. Congratulations, you got all these for your birthday. I'm so super excited. So I think I'll have to call it a day. Thanks for watching this video. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to tap on that notification bell so whenever I put up new posts, you'll be alerted or you'll be notified. So till some other time, bye.